So it has two settings, it goes there and it goes there. What is up my dudes, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you're new here, I'm Ellie, and look at this cute new setup. Anyway, today I have a very exciting kind of back to school related video. I am unboxing my brand new iPad Pro, keyboard and Apple Pencil. I don't know what the heck's going on. I have joint hypermobility syndrome, which is not as dramatic as it sounds. Basically, it means that all my connective tissue is weaker, so it's caused me a lot of health problems in terms of like my gut and yada yada. That's why I've been posting really badly recently. But it also means I struggle to write for more than like 15 minutes at a time, and I'm going to year 12, so that's my first year of college. I'm 16 if you're not from the UK. So this means I can write, obviously, and then I can also type in between and not have to like, we thought about doing it half on paper and half like actually on a laptop, but then I'd be having to put like timestamps down for the actual lesson. I'd be swapping over every 15 minutes. I don't know how long the lessons are going to be, but that didn't seem super practical, so we decided to go with this in the end. The main reason I decided not to go with the Air, weirdly, this pencil is grippier. So if I could have just kept my iPad Air 2, I would have, but I'm going to give that to my mum now so she can use it for like her yoga videos and stuff. The iPad Pros this year have 6 GB of RAM compared to 3 in the Air. I'm going to obviously be doing some video editing on this. I'll be doing photo editing on this. So I kind of do need that RAM, to be honest. If you're just using notes, you really don't. And I got 128 gigs of storage. It's the 11-inch in silver. All my Apple stuff is silver now. I have white iPhone 11, silver Apple Watch, Series 5. If you want to watch some of my Apple Watch video, let me know. I'm kind of thinking about doing one. If you want me to do a how to take notes a few weeks in, or what's on my iPad, I'm not going to do that in this video because I did that on my iPhone 11 video and it was really long and I kind of regret that. So this is going to be in a separate video, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for that. And yeah, we're just going to get into it now. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. As I said, I got the 11-inch. The 12-inch is just too big for me. It's not as portable. It weighs honestly so much more. And my laptop is 14-inch, so an almost 13-inch iPad didn't make sense to me. So I just went with the 11-inch. Just keep going. Yeah. I swear I've binged so many unboxings of this waiting for it. We ended up getting the actual iPad from John Lewis, and then we got the case and the pencil from Stormfront, which is where we went to test out like the pencils and stuff, because they were the main decider for me, as I said. Obviously eventually I don't want to have to use grips, but I will for the time being just because my hands are stupid. But the iPad could have been here tomorrow, but it also could have been here in like 3 weeks when I would have been back at school. Everyone was being really dramatic about this opening, but like it kind of is tricky. Come on. Oh my god, there it is. I did get the 2020 model. The 2018s had 4 GB of RAM, I think. Oh my god, it's really light. I kind of don't want to touch the screen because I need to put a screen protector on. I may never be able to get out that box again, I just realised. The screen is honestly about as big as this whole iPad, so yeah, honestly, if I didn't have to buy a new one, I would have just used this one, but I did, so I was going to get the one that worked best for me. This I'm excited for. I have a charging brick like this for my Apple Watch, but it's not USB-C. So this is going to be so fast. Yeah, this is the UK one if you're wondering why it's like this. Comment down below what you want me to do with the Apple stickers. Maybe I could put one on this case, which is the same as this one. So I knew what it was going to look like, except it has a little holder for the pencil. I thought in case I want to go somewhere where it wouldn't be super smart, just have it stuck to the side and fully open, which is what this is. Shut up. Okay, time for the case. Oh, well. See, this is so much easier to open. What the heck, Apple? Oh god, I spoke too soon. This is quite hefty, honestly. I really thought this would be a lot lighter than it is. I don't know why, because I've held them in store. That's kind of why I went in. And then inside, it folds like that so it can stand up. Then it has the connecting dot things. I don't know what they're called. Okay, for the sake of not murdering it, let's just stick it in here. The magnets are pretty strong, actually. So taking it off, you kind of have to try. And then the ones in the bottom here are pretty strong. So it has two settings. It goes there and it goes there. This is what the keyboard looks like. It's quite soft, actually. ASMR. It's not like clicky. It's more like squishy. I don't know, that sounds weird. The reason I didn't get the Magic Keyboard is because you can't do this. You can't lay it flat. And I was like, okay, great. I get a tiny touchpad and it hovers and I can do pass-through charging. There's no point for me if I can't lay it down flat and take notes. And I'm left-handed, so I write like with my iPad sideways. I don't know, okay? I write downwards. I'm just a weirdo. And then the pencil. I feel like I should have turned it on and put on the screen protector first, but you know what? It's fine. And then here's the pencil. Wow, I paid so much money for this. This is £119. And it doesn't even come with a spare tip, so that's lovely. This one is matte. If you can see, it's not shiny, so that was a big point for me. It also has the double tap feature. It just feels more sturdy with that flat side. I bought some grips for this and like a little case, so then it just sticks. There she is. In all the glory. Honestly, the cameras for me, I really didn't care about. I have never ever used an iPad camera. I don't think I ever will. This is everything I dreamt it would be. This is the screen protector I got. I swear it was like really cheap off of Amazon, so I was like, let's go for it. Because I will probably end up with a paper-like one, but I just wanted to see because it didn't feel too hard to write on glass in the store. So I thought we'll see and then decide if we're going to spend like 30 odd quid on a screen protector. Oh yeah, don't hate on these. I did them myself, okay? It's like the third time I've done nails, so I'll link everything below, I guess. Most of this stuff was off of Amazon though, so fair warning. I think I'm going to take it out of here just while I do this. Okay, pop you down and make sure. Oh my god, it's so slidey. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 hinge stickers on this front first. My SD card ran out of space. None of us are surprised. Okay, I got the hinge stickers on. I just do it there because I can't fit. Okay. God, why does this smell? Ugh, so bad. Back down, and now we're going for it. Oh, damn, she's good. There's a few tiny bubbles. They're just very hard to see. Okay, this one is from ESR. They're a really good case brand actually. They're off Amazon. This one, some of the keys, like the little bits that cover the key, so there's the volume down and the lock, they broke, but like it lasted 5 years. They both broke fairly recently. Need I say more? If it's only starting to break after 5 years, I think it's pretty good. Why can I not flipping grab this? Why is this so many layers of plastic? They didn't need that. It had a film on the front. It's actually flexible. I didn't think it was going to be for some odd reason. I don't know why. So that's just a trifold case. There we go. I just will like this more if I'm drawing. I do art. Sorry, not to flex on you like that. I do art. I'm left-handed. So then the pencil pops in there. I don't know if it'll fit with a protector on. This is also, unsurprisingly, from Amazon. Has anybody got a knife? If you hear a whirring sound, my mum started microwaving something. Really great timing. Love you, mummy. I went with scissors because I have lost my knife. I feel like that is a bad thing. Okay, I went with black and white. I was gonna go with pink and blue, and then I was like, oh my god, but what if it doesn't like match my case? Oh my god. Goes in this end. Why is this making me uncomfortable? Okay, you can kind of see where it says Apple Pencil. I found that really amusing. I don't know why. It's just the fact that you can see it like so faintly. That's that. I also have these two grips for needing it to be bigger. They're off Amazon as well. Unbelievably, oh my god, who'd have thought? There's one that goes out and there's one that's like this. I think they're this way, yes. Because I need stuff to be thick, apparently, according to my physiotherapist. There we go. So now I can write. I feel like it's really hard because I wrap my hand around like that, so this is kind of tricky for me. Yeah, it does go in. It just doesn't go in as well. Okay, let's just turn it on. My screen's already so covered in fingerprints and dust. I hate it. English, UK. Who would have thought? Ooh, let's get my old iPad then. This is my phone is downstairs. Yes. I have no idea what my password is for anything. I have a notes for them. Face ID, continue. Oh, there's a fly on my camera. I feel mean now. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I don't really want to restore my data. I just want to go clean. I'm not on drugs. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a time for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Here she is. This is the background I have for my old one. Ooh, now let's get the pencil. Oh god, I put it on the floor again. Why am I like this? Oh, I put it in upside down, but I don't care. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Continue. Explore double tap. Ooh. Let's go with the love red pen and we're gonna say, hello, loves. And then we're gonna boop boop. Okay, this is cool. Oh, what a cutie. Hey you guys, I kind of forgot about you. Also, it's chilly now, so I have a jumper on. But I've been playing my iPad for quite a while now. Just fiddling about. I love her. Really my absolute fave. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you want to see what I end up doing with apps, I definitely need to get a matte screen protector. So I'm trying out some apps. I will be back with a what's on my iPad video once I've signed into everything and transferred all my stuff. That is all. I will be making many iPad videos in the future for definite. So if you want to see them, please subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. That's it. I love you guys and I will see you next week probably, because I should be uploading it well again soon. So yeah, bye!